Hello there everyone, I am revisiting a technique I've covered previously as well using the same supplies. Stay tuned to watch how I create this easy and beautiful card. I will be using the Bouquet of Love stamp set and also the Golden Peach Washi tape, which I am going to adhere onto a panel the size of my card front. I'm using an off-white cream colored cardstock for this, as I want a warm tint to my card. Next, I'll use anti-static powder and prep my vellum piece. I'll then use embossing ink to stamp the image from Bouquet of Love stamp and then heat emboss this in Golden Peach embossing powder. Here's a look at the image after heat setting. I love the look of Golden Peach embossing powder. It is just magical. Next, I'll use the coordinating die to die cut the image. Once this is done, you can use it as is on your card front or step it up by coloring behind the image, as in on the back side of the embossed area with alcohol markers. I'll just add full color to most places with Peach Perfect Artist Alcohol Marker. This is so fast, you guys. It's not even going to take you a lot of time. Just look at the result of coloring one flower. Now I'll color all the areas by filling them in. There's not much detail required. You just have to fill in the areas. Once this is done, this is how pretty it looks. Now you can stop here or further enhance the look by adding a darker shade, another shade which is crimson, and I'll only add this to the centers of the flowers or at the starting points of the leaves, which I also call the connecting points. And just look how gorgeous this looks. It looks so pretty in person. You have to try this just to see how the result is. It is truly stunning. I'll wait for the markers to dry, and I also use a heat tool on the back side to make the process faster, but just make sure not to overheat it as to not melt the embossing powder. Then I'll use the Altenew glue tape to adhere the image onto the card front. Then I'll cut off the overhanging parts, but I will not discard these overhanging parts. I will use them to adhere over other areas, just so that I can get a full panel. Next, I'll use the 14 Pan Metallic watercolor to add a bit of shimmering splatter to my panel. Then I'll adhere my heat embossed sentiment. And doesn't this look pretty? I'm sharing two more cards on the blog. One is monochrome black on white, which is my favorite, and the second is a watercolor plus a bit of pencil shading inspiration. So be sure to check them out and let me know in the comments which one you like the best, as I would love to know. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Hello there! Did that video just spark your creativity? And do you want more project ideas and inspiration videos too? Well, if you do, please make sure that you subscribe to the Altenew YouTube channel. Also, make sure that you do click that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye!